What's up, you guys? It's your girl Beautiful Yaz, and I'm back with another hair video, but this time it's a natural hair video. Y'all know I don't do those too often, but we're here and I'm serving you natural pressed high muffin top bun hairstyle right now. This is the finished look. So yeah, let's just get right into this video. But before we go, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you'll be updated every time that I post new videos. And yeah, let's just get into this bun. Okay? Super easy and quick. All right, let's go. So first thing I'm gonna get is my Pump It Up Holding Spray. And I'm gonna spray it on a thin tooth comb. And then I'm just gonna comb my hair like upwards, like into a ponytail. And this will just like help my hair get straight and like leave a shine as well. Cause this is like a week-old press. But yeah, so I'm taking my hairband out, and this is when I realized like, okay, I need to comb this stuff out first. Honey child. So combing it out with my comb brush. Y'all see I'm kind of struggling. Hadn't combed my hair in days. But so yeah, I comb it out, and then I get my hot comb. I'll have in the description box below where you can purchase this hot comb from. So make sure you check that out. So I'm just gonna press my hair in the front and on the sides and the back, just so that I could like swoop it up real nice into a high bun. So yep, same thing I did to the front, I also did to the back. So yep, that's good enough. So at this point, I'm just going to use my comb brush again to just comb my hair into the bun. And for me, it's always best for me to like bend over and like comb my head when I want like a high bun, so that it can easily go to like the top of my head, and I can get like all the lumps and bumps out of my hair with the comb brush. So I'm gonna put my hairband on and then see how it looks once I finish combing out the ends. So once I finish with that part, I'm just gonna like tie my ponytail hair out of the way so that I could do my baby hair. I'm gonna use my baby hair toothbrush and Gorilla Snot, and I'm gonna fix these baby hairs, okay? Because you cannot wear a high bun. You can't wear a ponytail or a high bun without baby hair. It's only right if you do your baby hair. Baby hair is an art. If you do baby hair, you know exactly what I mean. It has to be perfect to your liking. Because if it's not, you're going to have to start all over. So once I got my baby hair to how I wanted it to look, I took the other hairband out, and then I'm just like combing through my hair with my fingers just to like spread my hair out to make it even around all the sides. And then I'm gonna grab my flat iron and just curl my hair under, like towards my hairband. And I believe I did like 4 or 5 curls total from my ponytail. And then I pretty much just like tucked and rolled my ponytail into it and bobby pinned it to get the finished look. So just keep on watching Almost done here. So this is pretty much the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial and was able to learn something from it. That's my son in the background. Say hi. Hi. So yes, this is the finished look. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you'll be updated every time that I post new videos. All right, you guys, I will see you in the next one.